Hello and welcome to REGO-FIX Tech Chat. My name is David McHenry. I'm the Senior Engineering and CME Manager here for REGO-FIX USA. Today, let's talk about high-performance machining and the tool holders you need for it. Generally speaking, when we talk about high-performance machining, we're talking about machining in a way that uses advanced machining techniques where you're maximizing productivity, precision, tool life. Normally you're doing this for hard materials and in demanding applications. What are some of the common traits you can expect for high-performance machining and high-performance tool holding? One of the biggest is going to be increased feeds and speeds. So your MMR is going to be increasing. Well, when you do that, what are you doing to your machine? You're maximizing that machine. You're getting more out of it for each part and each time that machine runs. What else can you expect? Well, tighter tolerance applications. With a high-performance tool holding system, you're expecting better TIR and more repeatable TIR, which means I can cut to a tighter tolerance as I'm going through doing my roughing and finishing passes. I'm also using advanced CAM software. The reason I'm doing that, advanced CAM software is able to take advantage of the machine movements so it can maximize that machine, getting you that increased feed rate and MMR that we just spoke about. You're normally going to be in challenging materials, something like heat-resistant alloys, where the part itself is very expensive, the blank. Well, you want to make sure that you're getting the most out of that and having the least amount of scrap. So high-performance machining, high-performance tooling go to that perfectly. You're going to be doing everything you can to increase your productivity, maximizing that machine. So those main aspects, TIR, rigidity and repeatability, that's really what goes into the high-performance aspect. But what's the customer get out of it, other than being able to push his machine a little harder? So let's bring up the tool life chart and talk about tool life here for a few moments. So looking at the tool life chart that we have up on the screen right now, you're going to see that I've got it broken down into 3 different categories. I have everything worse than 10 microns TIR being listed as poor machining. Now, what tool holding systems fall into this? Well, this is going to be your well-used and abused end mill holders, your unchecked or unkept milling chucks, things that haven't been taken care of. It's been in your shop for years. The TIR is not quite what it used to be, and you're not making parts the way you used to. So that 10 micron TIR, or that poor machining area, if you look at the left-hand column or the y-axis, you're going to see that's less than 100% tool life. So yeah, I'm getting metal out and I may not care how many cutting tools I go through, but it's costing me money because I'm not getting the maximum out of that tool holder or that cutting tool that's being used. In the middle, I have what are called general machining, the general machining section. So that's in that 10 micron up to 3 micron range. So that's my general machining. And that's where I'm getting 100% tool life or a tiny bit better. But when you look at that, there's another whole section to the left of that. And that's the high precision machining or high performance machining, high performance tool holding section. On that, I'm 3 microns or better. I'm getting 145% tool life or better. This is where the high performance tool holding systems survive. This is where they work their best. They're giving you improved tool life, super high clamping force, rigidity, repeatability, ease of use, all the things that go into making your expensive machine tool perform at its best and optimal. And that's the type of tool holding system that we want to make sure that you use it when you're out there in the shop, whether it be using a high performance cutting tool, a high performance tool holder. We want to make sure you're living in what we call that upper left quadrant, where tool life is the main name of the game. If you have any questions at all about high performance machining or high performance tool holding, please reach out to your REGO-FIX technical team. We are here to help.